Hi guys, this is the Top Picks with the Career Club where we discover and explore the top European public universities for you so that you don't have to. Today we are going to discuss about the University of Padua in Italy. It is one of the oldest universities in the world, founded in 1222, and believe you me, this has got one of the most stellar reputations in the world for its notable faculty and historical legacy. Stalwarts such as Galileo and Nicholas Copernicus have actually taught in this very university. There are about 2,300 teaching staff at the university spread across the different faculties of engineering, geosciences, biomedical, medicine, and statistics and mathematics. However, there are many scholarships available which we'll be discussing in one of the next sections. That aside, you have about 57 master's programs which are taught completely in English, covering a variety of topics from mechanical innovation for product engineering to mechatronics to humanities and cultural heritage and even medicine. There are about 7 bachelor degree programs which are taught completely in English. Now, depending on the stream you want to study in, your tuition fees ranges from around 2,700 euros to about 3,000 euros. Your application period starts approximately in November, December of the previous year and goes up to April, May of the following year. So if you want to get one of these scholarships, it is highly recommended that you start your process fairly early and apply early so that you can become one of the earlier recipients of the scholarship programs that are available. IELTS is generally required for all programs. An IELTS score of about 6 to 6.5 bands is what is needed for most programs. Now coming to the most important topic of scholarships. You have your Padua International Scholarship, which is offered to 62 students, and it covers your entire tuition fee and as well as gives you a stipend of about 8,000 euros an annum to cover your personal expenses. This is one of the most incredible scholarships available in Italy, and we highly recommend you applying for it, especially if you have a good profile. This aside, you have departmental level scholarships for example, biomedical sciences, civil engineering, environmental engineering, architecture departments. Now, total number of scholarships varies, so we highly recommend that you contact us for your particular profile and get it checked. One of the incredible features of studying at the University of Padua is that you are studying actually in a very strong research hub. It's one of the top research ecosystems in all of Italy, and the university has had members publish almost 180,000 research papers over the last few years. There are 13,000 publications and 100 of active projects which were completed at the university alone in the year 2021. So you can only imagine the kind of thriving and interdisciplinary ecosystem that the university promotes and propagates. What is crazy is that over the last few years, University of Padua has gotten a lot of international recognition, and as of today, you have almost 7,000 to 8,000 students who come from abroad, and this represents about 10 to 12% of its total student base. Now, in 2022, there was a study conducted by the Alma Laurea organization which tried to understand what are the employment rates of universities across the world. And that study at the University of Padua resulted in the publishing of statistics which showed that 77% of graduates found employment after 1 year, and after 5 years, almost 92% of students who had graduated were employed actively in their careers. Part-time work opportunities are also available on campus or off it, but here let me tell you that it is better that if you are looking to study and work at the same time, you should be prepared to learn the language before you start your studies. Typically, post your studies, Italy allows you to stay back for 12 months to find a job. Once you get a job, then you can convert your student and your job search visa to the work visa. In Padua, the overall monthly living expenses amounts to between 700 to 900 euros, which is more than sufficiently covered through your scholarship stipend which you get if you basically win one of these scholarships. If you found this video interesting, you might want to follow our channel for more. We are going to go deep into a lot of the European public universities, some even which you might not have heard of, and which are amazing platforms for students to learn, thrive, and grow in their careers.